You say that a lot. Take your time. What does it really mean?
It means there's no rush. You can relax.
Good. I think I need that today.
Today we're talking about the expression, take your time.
It's a very useful English expression.
Yep.
So grab your coffee.
And relax with us for a few minutes.
We'll show you how people really use this expression.
It's simpler than you think.
English over coffee. Take a sip. Come talk with me. Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel carefree.
Good morning, Sofia. Here's your coffee.
Thank you, Daniel. Oh no, I'm sorry. I forgot my money at home.
Don't worry about it. Take your time. You can pay me tomorrow.
You always say that. Take your time. I hear this so much in English.
Really? Do I say it a lot?
Yes, I want to understand this better. What does take your time mean?
Good question. Take your time means don't hurry. Go slowly. There is no rush.
Don't hurry, go slowly, I see.
We say it to help people feel calm. When someone feels worried or stressed.
Oh, like yesterday. I was at the store. I couldn't find my credit card. The man behind me looked angry.
That sounds stressful.
Yes, but the cashier was very nice. She said, "Take your time, don't worry."
Perfect example. She wanted you to feel better, not stressed.
Yes, it worked. I felt much better. Can I use this phrase too?
Of course. You can say it to other people, like friends or family.
Can I say it about myself too?
Yes. You can say, I want to take my time. This means you want to go slowly.
I want to take my time. Like when I do my homework?
Exactly. I want to take my time with my homework. This is very good.
What about other people? Like my brother?
Good question. You can say, my brother takes his time when he eats. This means he eats slowly.
My brother takes his time when he eats. I understand. My mother takes her time when she cooks.
Perfect. You're learning fast. Your mother cooks slowly and carefully.
Yes, she does. The food is always very good. Taking time makes it better.
That's right. Sometimes slow is better than fast.
When do people say this the most?
Good question. When someone is choosing something, like food in a restaurant.
Oh yes, the waiter says, "Take your time," when I look at the menu.
Exactly. Or when someone is learning something new, like English.
When I speak English slowly, people say, "Take your time." They are being kind.
Yes, very kind. It means, I will wait for you. Don't feel bad.
I like this phrase. It makes people feel good.
It does. Let's practice a little. Can you make a sentence?
Okay. My father takes his time when he reads the newspaper.
Great sentence. Another one?
I want to take my time when I study for my test.
Perfect. You understand it very well.
Thank you, Daniel. This was very helpful.
Now, let's ask our listeners something.
Good idea. When do you take your time?
Do you take your time when you eat? When you study?
Write us in the comments. Use the phrase, "take your time" in your sentence.
And remember, learning English takes time. Don't hurry.
Yes, take your time and you will do great.
Thank you for listening to English Over Coffee.
See you next time. Take your time with your English and have a great day.
I think I need that today.
So today's expression was, take your time.
I like that expression. It makes everything feel calmer.
Now it's your turn.
When do you like to take your time?
Yes.
Tell us in the comments.
See you next time.
Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel carefree.